A Python program to find the area of a circle is to be developed. To find the area of a circle, we need the value of radius. So that value will be stored in a variable, say r. The message to be given to the user is followed by the input function. The message is enter the radius. Now, what is the role of this float word? If you don't write the float, by default, the enter value is treated as a string. But in my case, the value is a float. So that's why I have written here float word. Now, what is the formula for area of a circle? Area is equal to pi. So what is the value of pi? Say 3.14 into r into r, that is pi r square. So 3.14 is multiplied with radius and it is again multiplied with radius. It will be the area of a circle. I have to display that area, so I will write the print function. The message will be the area of a circle is. Now where the area is stored? It is stored in a variable area. So I have written the word area. Let us save the program and now run the program. The message is enter the radius. The radius entered is say 10. The area of circle is 314.0. Let us run it one more time. Now, instead of writing r into r, I can use the r followed by star star followed by 2. So it means that r raised to 2. So star followed by star means raised to. So r raised to 2 means r square. So again it is going to be the same. So let us save the program and now run the program. So enter the radius. Radius is 10 and obviously I am going to get the same result. Thank you.